Hey, I'm Glenn from Agile Equipment and IQ Direct, here to talk to you today about what we prefer to use for our mold remediation. Our product IAQPRO Sani-Clean is a hydrogen peroxide-based formula that is designed especially for the restoration and mold remediation industry. It contains wetting and penetrating agents that ensure penetration into porous surfaces. You'll see later in my demonstration that the presence of foaming or fizzing indicates an interaction with the mold. To use Saniclean, first wear the appropriate PPE. Today I'll be using ProVal's nitrile glove and carbon P2 mask, which is available from our online store IAQdirect.com.au. I'll also wear some protective glasses in case of any splashback. You can either apply wet with a microfiber cloth or a spray bottle, which I'm going to use here. I've got 3 pieces of timber, each with varying levels of contamination. I'll spray each one to show the foaming interaction. If the foaming is not occurring, that will indicate there is a negligible amount or no amount of mold within the material. Once applied, you can go ahead and use a wireframe brush to agitate it into the timber. Once done, you can repeat as needed. Otherwise, you can just wash it down with some water and dry it to complete the process. If you would like to know more about this product, feel free to give us a call on 1300 092 647 or check out our online store at IAQdirect.com.au. Thanks.